In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use drop-down columns in Smartsheet. We'll walk through creating a drop-down column, adding options and using it to track work clearly and consistently. First, open Smartsheet in your browser and sign in. Once you're in, open the sheet where you want to use drop-down columns. For the easiest experience, switch to grid view so you can see your tasks and columns in a straightforward table. Now, let's add the drop-down column. On the far right side of your columns, click the plus icon to insert a new column. Give it a clear name like status or priority so everyone understands what it's for. When prompted for the column type, choose drop-down list. This ensures each cell in that column will show a consistent set of choices instead of free type text. Next, set up the options. Click Edit Column Properties to open the settings. Add the choices your team will select from, such as not started, in progress and completed. Keep your list short and unambiguous so people don't guess which option to use. When you're done, click OK to save. From now on, any cell in that column will show a clean, consistent list. Quick note: if you're new to Smartsheet, there's a link to the website at the top of the description so you can access it quickly and follow along. To assign values, click any cell in your new drop-down column and select the appropriate option. You'll see the choice update immediately, which helps everyone understand current status at a glance. Using drop-down columns makes tracking easier because your data stays standardized. No typos, no extra variations. To take it further, use drop-downs to monitor progress across your sheet. Combine them with conditional formatting so each status gets a distinct color, like red for not started or green for completed. You can also apply filters to show only tasks with a specific status, which is perfect for stand-ups or review meetings. Collaboration is seamless. Team members with editor access can select drop-down values, keeping the sheet up to date as work moves forward. If something needs clarification, use comments or add mention teammates to provide context right on the row. Smartsheet autosaves all changes, so updates appear for everyone in real time. If you want to automate notifications, go to Automation and select Create Workflow. Set a trigger based on drop-down changes. For example, when a task moves to completed, and notify the assigned user or stakeholder automatically. This keeps everyone aligned without manual follow-up. And that's it. Using drop-down columns in Smartsheet makes status tracking simple, visual, and consistent, helping you manage tasks, monitor progress, and collaborate effectively. Thanks for watching.